Impact Indicator 2. Featuring the latest QR code system, all in one design. Alert sticker, frame label, companion label, less waste, more eco-friendly, and it's free. Installation. Peel off the backing and apply it to the cargo. Then press firmly around the edges. Overlay the frame label on the indicator to secure it and ensure maximum adhesion. Place the instruction label nearby to form the companion label. It gives clear instructions to handlers upon color activation. Finally, apply the alert sticker onto the bill of lading to notify carriers that an indicator is used. Setup complete and ready for secure shipping. See it in action. Upon impact, one indicator window turns from white to red, providing undeniable proof of transit damage.